Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as an ice cream sundae on Dress to Impress. So the skin color is going to be what color you want the ice cream to be. I think I'm gonna change mine to like a vanilla color, but that might be too close to what I'm going for. Maybe like a mint chocolate chip color. Okay, I think that's good. Then I'm going to get the cupcake outfit and make the bottom brown for the base. For the second color, I'm going to use this one. And then for this, I'm just going to color mine brown for like mint chocolate chip kind of vibe. Again, you can color it to any color you want. Then I'm going to select this and I'm going to color that the same blue, well, turquoise green. I don't know what this meant. That's what I meant. Select this hood and then color it the same again as the rest. I'm going to select this and I'm going to color it white for the whipped cream, but you can color it to any color you want. For the cherry on top, I am going to use the pumpkin and I'm going to select the on head one. And then I am going to color it red, of course, with the light silk or the metallic one just to make it shiny. I think I'll do light silk for that one. And then for the stem, I'm going to select green. Then I'm going to select the apple, select mischievous, and then I am going to color it maybe the same so that it doesn't, like my hands aren't up here, or you can color it like brown, I guess. It depends on the colors you choose for the ice cream sundae. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.